चलो धन्नो चल धन्नो चल. Hi everyone, how are you people? I hope you are fine in this lockdown and whatever is going on in India, this coronavirus really affecting us a lot. And now this time I'm bringing you the video of Shimla, Kullu and Manali part 1. In this video you are going to see a fantastic journey of us in 2014. We have made in the month of October. It was a beautiful journey, it's a fantastic one. I think you will enjoy. We boarded Kalka Mail from Howrah station. It took 2 days to reach Kalka. In the morning we had a toy train from there, that is Kalka-ShimlaToy train. It was a fantastic journey. Also it was our dream to ride Kalka-ShimlaToy train to go to Shimla. It was everybody's dream, I think. Then it came true at last. It took at least 6 hours to reach Shimla station. Toy train journey was awesome. It's a fantastic. We took the ride. It covered at least 96 kilometers from Kalka station. I think it was a fantastic journey, and it crossed over 101 caves. That is called the tunnel, and just inside the hill and all. The picturesque is a fantastic one, surrounded by the hills and all. Also, it was a morning time and fantastic. We enjoyed a lot. It is a beautiful journey ever in my life I have experienced. The toy train stopped in many important stations. We came out from the toy train and we enjoyed a lot. We took pictures and all. It's a beautiful experience, Even we saw from the top, every moment we are going towards Shimla and we are getting uphill, and the journey becoming a fantastic one, and it became the awesome one. I think everybody cherished to be a rider in a toy train. At last, after 6 hours journey, we reached station Shimla. That is a heritage station, railway station in one of the best hill station in India. It's a fantastic one. We took cab from the Shimla Railway station. We have to come up a little bit because to get a cab up, you have to walk uphill. From there we went straight to our hotel Kohinoor. It was one of the worst experience. We didn't get so much good hotel. Also it was pre-booked. Anyhow, Shimla is a fantastic place. I never bother about that hotel. After lunch, we went to Mall, Shimla Mall, which is famous. We took pictures and all. I think you can see that. It's a beautiful one. We took dinner and slept because we were tired. We had a fantastic breakfast in the next day morning after a fantastic sleep. It's a beautiful one. We took aloo paratha, curd and coffee or tea. Then today is the day 2. Actually today we are going to have a fun, in nearly Kufri. It's nearly 20 kilometers from Shimla. Our plan is to take a pony ride from there to the uphill to Kufri top. It was nice. We hired nearly 10 ponies to go to Kufri top. Actually there was no other way to go to top. Actually during winter season it is full of snow, and as it is October, we can have a fantastic pony ride to go there. So they took 300 rupees per pony to have a half an hour ride from there to the Kufri top. It's a beautiful fantastic ride through the pine forest. It's a beautiful one. I liked it very much, although the road was very dangerous. Some of our members they at least they managed to go there. Someone were also fearing to have a pony ride, but at the end of the day we had a fantastic pony ride up to the top of Kufri. See how beautiful it is, the clouds hovering around. It was a little bit of chilling cold also. It is just near the Kufri ski resort. It's a beautiful one. We enjoyed a lot. We stayed there nearly for 2 hours. Then we took pictures. Then at the end of the day we came back by pony also. Also it took nearly 15 to 20 minutes to come to the finishing point from where we left our tempo traveler. While coming down, we took lunch. We took Maggie in our lunch. There was no other way out, but it was very tasty. Then we came to our second spot, that is a Green Valley viewpoint. It is one of the best point in Shimla. It's a fantastic one. The view is good. Really, it is very, very greenery. I was stunned to see the beautiful greenery of Shimla. This is the end of day 2. Then we came back to our hotel and saw a beautiful picture, and then we took a lot of pictures from our hotel room. Then we patrolled in the evening to see the beauty, and we took a little bit of snacks, and at night we went to the Shimla Mall again. We are on day 3 now. Today is very, very important for us. We are going to have a journey of nearly 260 kilometers from Shimla. Then it's a beautiful road. It is one of the best road trip from Shimla to Manali via Kullu. Today we are having a lot of plan. We'll be enjoying the beautiful roads. Then we'll be halting maybe after 1 or 2 hours. Then we'll take pictures and all. There is no other way out. We have to go to Kullu, then Manali. Then after that, it's a beautiful one. Then we are having a plan to have a rafting. whitewater rafting, which is quite famous in Kullu. This is a beautiful one. I think the roads are beautiful. I think you will enjoy this road. I want to show you far more and more road this in my video, so that you can enjoy. After 3 hours journey, we took a little bit of rest just beside Beas River. I think the place is not known, but we took some pictures and all. The beautiful, the background was fantastic. The valley, I can see the valley. Maybe we are not far from Kullu Valley. It's a beautiful one. We enjoyed a lot. I already told you that I could not keep my eyes away from this beauty, this road trip. Fantastic. I think I'll never forget in my life that is the beautiful road trip. Fantastic one. Everybody cooperated with me, and everybody enjoyed a lot. Even you can see this road trip. Just enjoy this road trip. I think you'll also enjoy. After nearly 5 hours journey, we took break at last. Then we took a little bit of lunch. Then somebody took tea and all, snacks and all. Everybody was tired. Then again we started our journey on this Kullu-Manali highway. It's a fantastic highway. I think after just if we go few kilometers from here, we will be having a tunnel inside there. It is nearly a 4-kilometer tunnel going towards Manali. I think it is one of the famous tunnel inside that we have to go, and it is also a cave tunnel. It's a nearly 4.4 kilometer stretch on this highway to go to Kullu and Manali. It is the best experience. It's a road tunnel. We have experienced the tunnel also during our toy train journey, and this is also the road tunnel while going to Manali and Kullu. This is Beas River, famous Beas River, invading through the valleys of Kullu. It's a fantastic view. Here we have decided to take whitewater rafting. We have halted here for taking this beautiful experience. We have gone to the starting point at Pidri near Kullu. It's a beautiful one. It's all preparation and all. We have taken 2 rafts, as you can see. I think it will be nearly 7-kilometer stretch from Pidri. It's a beautiful one. It will be a fantastic lifetime experience for us for the whitewater rafting. We have enjoyed a lot. I think you can see that. I could not make a video of it, but the picture says all these things. It was really very nice experience, and the arrangers were very good. They kept my son with them because my son was only 1.5 years old during that time, and he was not allowed. Even I was very much excited. I convinced everyone to go there to have a fantastic whitewater rafting in their lifetime, and everybody they just enjoyed and with me, and I was the one who took bath. Just I got down from the raft to take a deep inside that Beas River, in the middle of the river. It's a fantastic experience we had. We enjoyed a lot. Then we came back to the finishing point. Then we all enjoyed. We are very happy. I'm very much happy to receive my son either. And then we took again the beautiful road to Manali. I think it was nearly 9 o'clock. It was so much jam-packed during that time. Thanks for watching. I think I'll be giving you this video for the second part, which is Simla-Kullu-Manali part 2. Keep watching and subscribe my channel please, and share, like. Thanks for watching.